Hello, good afternoon and welcome to my channel Educul Inspire Mind, and if you are new, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And friends, today I have brought yet another video about the subject verb and agreement. Obviously we have discussed singular verb in previous videos, and today we discuss about the plural subject agree with plural nouns only. So to make it easier, I have brought separated video about the plural subject agree with the plural verb only. So let's start. First of all, a few plus plural noun. A few plus plural noun, that means a few teachers are outdated. A few teachers will be always plural, so are should be there. And a number of plus plural noun. A number of children, always play here. A number of children, this is the plural subject, that's why it will agree with the play verb, plural verb, B1. And next one, some of this subject will be always plural, like police, people, cattle, gentry, vermin and public, and etc. For example, people are cutting trees. Obviously people plural subject and are verb suitable agree with the plural verb. And next, some of the children will be always in plural, like children, men, women, mice, lice, teeth and etc. For example, women go for fashion. Women plural subject and go is plural verb. And next one, some of the word or subject will be always in plural, like pants, shirts, trousers, scissors, intestine, spectacles, etc. And for example, pants are both for boys and girls. So next one is adjective as a noun. In sentence, if adjective comes as a noun, then we have to write the plural verb. Like example, the intelligent are selected for a job. Okay, so this is the next example. Intelligent are selected for job. And next one here, some of the word, all of, most of, few of, some of, lot of, 2/3 of, a quarter of, none of, half of, plus countable noun will be always in plural. So keep it in mind. And for example, all of the trees are cut down. All of the is a plural noun here, plural subject here. So all of the trees are cut down. And next one, there plus plural verb plus plural noun. There plus plural verb plus plural noun. That means there are, yes, there are friends who love traveling. There are is a plural verb here, and friends plural nouns, so who love traveling. There are friends who love traveling. This is an example for. And next example is here, here plus plural verb plus plural noun. If there is here, and there should be plural verb as well as plural noun should be there. Like here are is a plural verb and some books are the plural noun. Yes, here are some books that help you in English. And let's see next one. The following plus plural verb plus plural noun. The following after that plural verb plus plural noun. For example, the following are the question. So the following will be the always in plural form and plural verb are should be there. The following are the question. And next one, see here, many plural noun plus plural verb. If many is followed by plural noun plus plural verb, like many shirts are torn out. Many shirts are done out. So this is example. Likewise, let's see the next one. Couple plus plural noun plus plural verb is a couple of paragraphs are written. So if couple is followed by plural noun and plural verb should be written there. A couple of paragraphs are written. So this is a good example for that subject. And next one is here, more than 2 plus plural noun plus plural verb. If more than 2 followed by plural noun, then plural verb should be there. Keep in your mind. So more than 2 teachers are absent today. More than 2 teachers is here plural. So are verb should be there. Are is here pure plural verb and are absent today. So keep in your mind. And let's see here the next one. Next example is here, no plus plural noun plus plural verb. If no is followed by plural noun, then obviously there should be plural verb, like no men were good at dance. No men were. No men is a plural here, so where is a plural verb? Good at dance. So subject no men and verb agreed with plural verb. Let's see the next example. The article plus noun plus and plus the plus article plus plural verb. That means the writer and the editor are discussing about the publication. Here the writer and the editors are the different person. That's why we have to write the verb are should be written there. Yes. And separate the writer and the editor. They are the two person. That's why are verb should be agreed there. Yeah. So the writer and the editor are discussing about the publication. So for today this much. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel Educul Inspire Mind. So thank you very much.